Meaning of entrepreneur.
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 Entrepreneur. An entrepreneur is a person who starts and runs a business venture, taking on financial risk in order to do so. They are often innovators, creating new products or services, and are willing to take risks in order to succeed. These individuals are typically self-starters and have a strong drive to succeed. As a result of their efforts, entrepreneurs often create jobs, stimulate economic growth, and contribute to the development of new industries. Overall, entrepreneurs play a vital role in driving innovation and progress in today's economy.